Over to Buzz Lightyear. Look, dude, we're walking right on. There's nobody here. There's an alien. Buzz, look, an alien. They left me. I wanted to look at Buzz. They all cheated and left me. Here we are. We're gonna destroy. We have to defeat the evil Emperor Zurg. Shoot the targets, shoot the targets. I'm shooting, operating a camera and steering.
How? How are you winning?
Because I am daddy. Emergency escape hatch. Oh, there's nobody behind us. We're spinning out of control. Watch my score go up when there's not even any targets. Wait for it. Oh, yes. Oh, I'm blinded. I'm blinded by the light.
Good, maybe I'll win. Can I win?
I won 367,000. You had 38,400. Randy had 59,000, and Mommy had 73,100. Where am I? I feel like I did good. I'm a space ace.
Oh, planetary.
All right. We just captured the evil Emperor Zurg. How'd you do? I won. I always win. We're gonna run over to Space Mountain now. See how quick that was. We walked on to Buzz Lightyear. Let's see what Space Mountain is. All right, let's see. The thing still said 10 minutes. I wonder if they update that or not throughout the night, or they just let it sit where it was. Starport. Attention, Space Mountain passengers. Roller coaster? I didn't know this was a roller coaster.
Pressure, hard back or neck problems, motion sickness, or other conditions that could be.
This walk through the Space Mountain queue always takes forever. But could you imagine waiting in this? Like, wow. There is nobody in line. Nobody. We're on Space Mountain. Woohoo! All right, we're not going to be able to see a whole lot through here. But here we go. All systems go. Oh! Energy transfer. Here we go. Woohoo! 20 seconds to launch. All right, we're on the left track right now. Since there was nobody in line, we're gonna jump and do the right track next. Whoa, whoa, there's some creepy people in there. All right. Well, there's a UFO. There's a UFO up there. I don't know if you can see it. Probably can't. Probably can't, but all right. Here we go. Oh. Woohoo.
'Remain seated with arms inside the vehicle until you come to a complete stop.
I didn't see all these balls down here before. See what happens when you stop? Oh, Maggie's rushing me. The bug is rushing me. Oh, we're back in the line again. I'm pretty sure there was a shortcut. We didn't have to do this, but we missed it. We missed it. All right, there's a much longer line than last time. I mean, it's way longer. Look at this. This is crazy. This is crazy. Insane. All right, bug. We're on the right side now. Ugh. You ready? We're at the top. Oh, it's not focusing. It's like, what is going on? There's way too much going on. Oh.
Keep your hands on the handle.
There we go. Woohoo! There's another. There was another train over there. Look at them, we're racing them. Woohoo! Alright, that was the right side. You like the back better? The back's better, right? Yeah. You can look at the picture. The back was way better, wasn't it? Exit to Tomorrowland. Another good perk, you just grab the drinks. That's so weird. I feel like I'm stealing. So you get drinks and popcorn, and they're getting some ice cream. That's not a bad deal. Not a bad deal at all. Tomorrow's just a dream away. Aw, I really wanted to go on Carousel Progress. That's a bummer. But so far we're doing pretty good. What do you got, dude? What do you got? Ice cream! Ice cream! My Mickey's missing his ears. How about yours? Mickey Mouse!
It's cookies and cream.
Pick a rocket. Which rocket you want? That one's closed. Don't pick that one. You want that one? Ooh, fireworks! Astro Orbiter! Yay!
We're on top of the
Don't
building.
poke me in the face. We are on top of the building.
Attention all
Oh.
pilots
Oh.
to ensure a safe flight.
Yes! Go all the way up! All the way up! It's a contemporary. Woo! Ah, ride's over.
The Astro Orbiter is now beginning its descent.
Whee!
Please remain seated until your rocket ship stops.
No, ya está, pero los de adelante se quedaron. Y los voy a subir yo. Igual iba rápido,
RP3's going through the cool zone. It's a cool scanner.
This is your chance to drive in the fast lane without worrying about
It's so empty. So empty. Tomorrowland Speedway. Up next. Number 1. Go straight. Now I see why he was bumping. There we go. Now we got her centered. Tomorrowland Speedway. People mover. Uh-oh. Oh no. We're gonna be out of control here. Tunnel! Tunnel! Oh my goodness. I can't drive.
I lost the water.
Look at Tron! Look at Tron! Look at this! Wide open track! Either we're really far ahead or we're really far behind. I'm really not sure which. We
I know I drive.
I kept bumping too.
I'm so bad.
They were pretty tough. We are on our way to Peter Pan's flight. Gonna ride Peter Pan's flight. There's no one in the park. It's pretty darn cool. Peter Pan's flight. Peter Pan's flight. Dude, there's no line for Peter Pan. Kinda, but we fly. Here we go.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Peter Pan. I see Tinkerbell. Tink, there we are. Look how high we are. Yes, I do. We're in Neverland. Welcome to Neverland. Aria. Dear the pirate ship. He took it for himself. Shmee! Look, Shmee's down there. Oh no! Oh no, Captain Hook, no, no! Oh! It's the end. Alright, now let's shoot straight across to It's a Small World After All. It's a small world after all.